Welcome back, students of 6th class. I am Asif from Modern International School, Hiswa. This is the 5th chapter. The chapter name is Fractions, and we will solve here a couple of questions of exercise 5F. And now we will give you some tips that you have to follow. Then you will get very easy to solve and all the questions. So here, have a look, friends. Question number 22. I have taken question number 22. Means suppose if one question, this question 22 will understand. If you understand this question very carefully, then you will handle. We will solve the questions. Similar type of question. There is no problem at all. So look. What should be added to 9 2 by 3 to get 19? So now there is a statement. Now according to the question, suppose first we have to suppose what should be added. What should be added? Suppose what number? That means the question says what number should be added. These are the questions on the number system. Means what number should be added to it. Now suppose let us consider. Suppose x is added. Suppose number x is added to 9 2 by 3 gives to get 19. To get 19 means is equal to 19. So okay, now see, so x, then x is added. In mathematics we can add here the x plus, and to get 9 and 2 by 3 is equal to 19. Now solve. First we have to change either here's the in improper fraction 9 3s are 27 plus 2 29 by 3 as it is. Here is the 19. Means we have to find the value of x is as it is. Here is the 19, and we bring this to right hand side with the negative sign, because over there the left side is having the positive. Okay, now here is the 1. Now take the LCM of 1 and 3. Here 3 is LCM. Divide 3 by 1. 3 multiply by 19. 19 3 ja 57. Here is the minus 3 divided by 3 1. 1 multiplied by 29 is 29 as it is. Now subtract 57 minus 29 17 8. Okay, this is 4 to 28. 28 divided by 3. So no friends, divide 28 by 3. We will get in mixed fraction. This is your answer. Here 9 3 ja and 1. So x is equal to 1 means required number is 9 1 by 3. This is your answer. I hope you will understand. Now see student, question number 24. Subtract the sum of 3 5 by 9 and 3 1 by 3 from the sum of 5 5 by 6 and 4 1 by 9. Means, and if you remember friends, I have already told you that where there is from instead of questions, from the terms after from, the terms after from, sorry, yes, the terms after from is these are the terms. Bring the first term, means we will take as a first term here. Means first of write this. What types of written here is the written sum of all. Now this term, this could be written as solution 5 5 by 6 plus 4 1 by 9. Why? Because here is a retain the sum of this and this. So this is why we have already written over here. Then subtract in close bracket inside, then subtract, then close bracket. So what number should be filled here? Have a look. Here is the sum of what sum of number? This and this. Write this number. Here the sum, then 3 1 by 3. Okay, no problem. Now let us see once again. Subtract this sum of this from. Where there is from, bring the terms after from. Here the from. Write the same as the statement said. Here the statement says sum of this. So sum, then we have write the this, then the sum, then write this, then minus. Then we will write over these numbers as the sum form, because where there is written is the sum. This sum and this close bracket. Remember. Now same. First we have to change this mixed fraction into improper, then add and subtract. You will get answer. Now see. First multiply 30. 6 5 by 30 plus 5 35. 35 divided by 6. Here the plus 9 4 ja 36 plus 1 37 divided by 9. close bracket. Now same, now 9 3 is a 27, 27 plus 5, this is 32, 32 divided by 9. Okay, here is the plus, right? Plus 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 3. First we will solve in the bracket, then remove the bracket, then subtract. Now here take the LCM of 6 and 9. Yes, 18 is the LCM. Check, find and then check. Now divide 18, this 18 by 6, 3 multiplied by 35, 35 multiplied by 3 means 105. Check, multiply and check. Okay, 105 plus, then this 9 is divided by this 18, 2 multiplied by 37, 37 to multiply by 74, multiply and check, is it correct, wrong? Okay, now right here remove the bracket, there is no need to the bracket over here. Now here similarly bracket, first multiply, sorry, take the LCM 9 3, 9 is the LCM, divide this 9 by this 1, 1 multiply by 32, 32 1 is 32 plus, then this 9 is divided by 3, 3 multiply by 10, 10 30. Okay, now close bracket, this is add, this is 180, sorry 79. Okay, check, this is 18, here is the minus, this is 60, 3 60 to 62 by 9. Once again we will take the LCM of 9 and 18 because this will as the fractions and subtraction of fraction. Over here have a look, this is equal to, take the LCM of 18 and 9. Yes, 18 is the LCM. Now divide this 18 by this 1, 1 multiply by same as it is, here is the minus, this 18 is divided by 9, 2 multiply by 62, 4 2 to the 4 12, 124, multiply and check. Okay, if you have any calculation wrong, please improve your calculation. This is subtract 179 minus 124, subtract, this is 5, this is 5, this is 0, means 55. So we write here 55. So 55 is divided by 18. Now friends see, and if it is possible, there is no dividing it by any numbers, means 55 divided by 18. Now means we have to divide this 55 by 18, becomes 18 2 ja 18 3 ja 18 3 ja 54. Okay, 1 is here. Now write 18 as it is, denominator, so this 3 remember is over here and this one is up. This is your answer. I hope you will understand. Okay, so students see question number 26, question number 27 and question number 28. These are the similar type of questions, and here we will solve question number 27 over here. Okay, if you understand this question 27, then you will easily solve 26 and 28 as well. So here friends, have a look very carefully. Now here we have taken question number 27. A film show lasted for 3 and 1/3 hours. Okay, out of this time 3/4 hours was spent on advertisements. Okay, here is the one thing is the given, then what was the actual time of the film, means we have to find the time, actual time of the film. But the total, when the film is starting from initial to terminal, means initial to last, the total duration of the film including with advertisement is 3 and 1/3. If we remove this hour 1 and 3/4 from this, we will get the actual time of the film. Okay, that means here we have to subtract from the whole hour minus this out of this. Okay, and this and we will do the same concept, we will follow the same concept in question number 28 and question number 26 as well. Okay, now here solution, then required actual time of the film, required actual time of the actual duration of the film, or we can write the actual duration actual duration of the film is equal to, have a look, the total time is 3 and 1 by 3 hour, okay, hour h. Then we have to remove this out of 1 and 3 5 because this is for advertisement time, okay. And we have to find the actual duration of the film, only film, means we have to avoid all the advertisement, and all advertisement will take 1 and 3 by 4 hour. That means we have to remove this mixed fraction from this hour, okay. This is why we have written 3 1 by 3 hour minus 1 3 by 4. Now first we have to change this improper fraction, okay. Now 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10 by 3, okay. Here is the minus 4 1 4 plus 3 7, okay, 7 by 4. Now take the LCM of 3 and 4, yes, 12 LCM, okay. Now divide 12 by 3, 4 multiply by 10 40, 4 2 ja, sorry, 400 ja 40. Similarly here the minus. Now this 12 is divided by 4, we will get 3 multiply by 7 21, 3 7 21. Now subtract, this will get 19 divided by 12. Now we write is as into mixed fraction, divide 19 by 12, 12 1 ja 12, here is 7. We can write here 12 as it is, 7 is up, and this is over here. This is the total actual duration of time for the film. I hope you will understand. Now friends, have a look. And last question number 29 is also similar as question number 27. Means we have to subtract. Means in question number 29 we have to subtract 5 by 8 from 2 and 3 by 4. Okay. Here is the subtraction question number 29, 28, 27, 26. These are the similar type of question. I hope you will no problem at all. Let's solve all the questions. Now your homework is exercise 5F, question number 16 to 29. Okay. Now have a nice day.